Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best RV inverters on Amazon. RVs bring people closer to the great outdoors because of the level of luxury they provide. A piece of technology essential to powering those creature comforts is an RV power inverter. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Krieger 1100 Watt 12 VDC Power Inverter. When it comes to smaller and less expensive options, the best inverter for camping is the Krieger Modified Sine Wave Inverter. If you don't need to run all your appliances at once, it might be worth saving money with this capable little device. The overall size of the Krieger is a huge selling point. Power inverters can be bulky and take up a lot of your already limited space in an RV. This inverter has 2 USB ports, 2 AC outlets, an included remote switch, and an LED screen that displays battery power, wattage, voltage, temperature, and warnings. This product also comes with a 3-year warranty, which is the longest on the list. Despite being the best travel trailer inverter, the Krieger misses the mark in a few key areas. Most notably, this inverter has the lowest power output of any product on this list. Anyone looking to power several appliances at once shouldn't get this device. Also, this inverter can be prone to overheating. Number 2. Krieger 2000 Watt Power Inverter. Krieger makes its way to our list with yet another affordable model. Only this time, it's a little more robust. The primary difference between this and our first is the fact that it has a 2000 watt power supply. That might not seem like much more, but it can be the defining difference between whether either model is suitable for the consumer. The good news is that the boost in power doesn't drive up the price much, as this is still a very cost-efficient model. Many of the same features and benefits carry over. It's compact, which is another major consideration often left off the table. It has all of the same digital performance monitoring and outlets you would expect. And it even has that same 3-year warranty. Therefore, it's basically just a ramped-up version of our pick for best value. Unfortunately, it has the same issue as the other. It's still fairly underpowered compared to the average entry. You can move up to a more powerful version, but the price nearly doubles when you do. Number 3. Energizer 3000 Watts Power Inverter. Another great RV power inverter that gives you a wide variety of device options is the Energizer Modified Sine Wave Inverter. This device comes in various sizes. This one offers 3000 watts of continuous power with 6000 watts of peak power. Energizer's 3000 watt 12V power inverter is a good alternative to the Ames model because it shares a lot of similar features, but this is a cheaper product. This inverter can convert 12-volt DC power to 120 VAC power. The fan on this product is also much quieter than most RV inverters, and the device has a remote switch. Number 4. Ampiac 2000W Power Inverter. The Ampiac 2000 watt power inverter provides continuous DC to AC power output with a peak power of 4000 watts. It includes 3 AC outlets and a USB charging port that converts 12 VDC battery power to standard 110 VAC power. You can use it on a variety of devices and appliances, including TVs, laptop computers, DVD players, and smartphones. Features include a smart digital display, cooling fan, and audible alarms. The inverter provides protection and will shut down if it experiences overvoltage, low voltage, overloading, short-circuiting, or overheating. It has a strong ABS shell and insulated terminal cables for better protection. You simply need a 12-volt battery to provide power during a storm, power outage, or other emergency. Each unit is ETL certified and backed by an 18-month warranty. Number 5. Jondal Pure Sine Wave Inverter. The Jondal Pure Sine Wave Inverter features 1200 watts of pure sine wave output power and 2400 watts of peak power. It has a 12-volt input, 2 AC outlets, a 2.1A USB port, and battery cables. It can provide continuous power for items such as air compressors, CPAP machines, fans, freezers, refrigerators, and medical devices. It's made of high-quality aluminum alloy for durability. Safety features protect the unit from overvoltage, low voltage, overloading, short-circuiting, overheating, and reverse polarity. The unit also has a soft start and auto restart function. It's simple to control the inverter using the wired remote control. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.